subtract any number from power of 10 like 100, 1000, 10,000 using the rule all from 9 and last from 10 in seconds by Vedic method. So here for first question 100 minus 48, we will subtract 4 from 9. So we will get 5 and 8 from, answer is 52. Second question, here 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 6 is 3 and 10 minus 7 is 3. So answer is 433. Next question, answer is 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 7 is 2 and 10 minus 2 is 8. So answer is 3428. Next question, 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 7 is 2 and 10 minus 8 is 2. So answer is 56722.